Hi everyone, and welcome back to Treasurie. Today I'm going to show you how to double crochet. This is a basic crochet stitch that's great for all kinds of projects, including a simple scarf and the popular granny square. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. Now let's get started. Hold the yarn in your left hand and create a loop. Put the yarn under and pull through. Put it on your hook. Now let's make a chain. Yarn over and pull through the loop, yarn over and pull through. For practice, let's chain 10 stitches. Whatever number of chains that you have, you'll end up with 2 less double crochet stitches. So 10 chains will give me 8 double crochets. Now that we have our chain, we're going to double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. Don't count the loop on the hook. These first 3 chains will count as our first double crochet. Here we go. Yarn over, insert hook into the 4th stitch, yarn over again and pull through. You will have 3 stitches on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. That's your first double crochet stitch. Let's keep going for your second stitch. You will repeat the steps into each chain. Yarn over, insert into the chain, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over through 2 and yarn over and through the next 2. And that's our second double crochet stitch. Next one, yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. So hopefully you're getting the hang of it now. Let's keep going. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Keep going and cross the row until you get to the last stitch. You'll crochet into that last chain, but not the slip knot. By the end you should have 8 double crochet stitches. Don't forget the chain 3 at the beginning counts as a stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do the second row. First of all we need to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This will bring it up to the height of the second row. Now flip your work across to the other side. Now we're not going to go into the base of the chain, we're going to go into the next stitch across, and you will insert your hook under both loops. So yarn over, insert under both loops, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And that's your stitch on the second row, and just keep going across. Remember to go through both loops. Okay, we're coming to the end. Now we do have to do something a little bit different for the very last stitch. So we've got one more here. Now at the end you'll notice that we're right above the chain 3 from the first row, so we need to go into that chain 3. Now ideally you want to go through both loops. Some people do catch one loop in only. So insert your hook under both loops of the 3rd chain. Okay, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over and pull through 2, and that's your second row. Now for the third row we're just going to continue again. Chain 3, For the new height, turn your work and crochet straight across. And that's how you do double crochet. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more tutorials.